सूर्यकोटि समप्रभं निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. With this prayer to the Almighty Sri Ganesha for his blessings in our endeavor. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Swagatam, Suswagatam, Samestan Purvepadi Dyokar, and good wishes of Women's Day. On behalf of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, I am Dr. Dayanand Rao, your host for the formal launching of two literary masterstrokes by son and a father, Kishore Shah's 364 Days of Transformation, and other by perhaps more talented in comparison to his age son, that's Master Omkar's magical newspaper and stories. Mr. Ramakant Kamath, Director General of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, to open up the carpet of warm feelings before this August gathering.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a great day for the Chamber. Today we are launching a book authored by one of our members, Mr. Kishore Shah, and I am extremely happy to welcome all of you to this function. The occasion is doubly important because we are also launching a book authored by Mr. Omkar Shah, Master Omkar Shah, son of Mr. Kishore Shah. On behalf of the Chamber and my President Mr. Narayan Bandekar, I extend a warm welcome to Mrs. Nandini Sahai, to Mr. Atul Pai Kane, and Mr. Sunil Rai is expected any time now, who all have agreed to speak on various subjects as a part of this book launch today. Once again, I welcome all of you to this book launch, and to all the ladies in the audience, I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Today is a very auspicious day, Women's Day. On this occasion, I think this is a great gift to the lady behind the show in two roles, that's wife and a mother, Dr. Hema. Going back to our prayer, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Matra Rupena Sansthitam Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. We offer our salutations to Jagannatha, Goddess of Universe, who is residing among us through the Mother. Napoleon rightly said, give me good mothers and I will give you good nation. Being just good parents isn't enough. In today's modern world, we have to be cheered up to face the challenges thrown before us by the younger generation, and also be adequately trained in art and science of parenting. Apart from imbibing good values and education to the child, we have to identify the talent and develop the talent to glow and request Srimati Nandini Sahai, Director of International Center of Goa, to open up the Google search, Generation Next of Parenting, to pass on the nectar of intellectual Samudramanthan on the monitor of the mind.
Thank you very much and good evening everyone. Mr. Narayan Bandekar and distinguished dignitaries on the dais, dear friends, it's indeed a great pleasure to be here with you today and to speak on a topic which I'm not an expert on, believe me, but yes, I have raised two children. So Mr. Kishore Shah, I think, and we were having a conversation and we somehow just suggested, thought that this topic would be good to talk on. So I have some thoughts which I'd like to share with you on this. And then first of all, I'd like to congratulate Kishore and Omkar for releasing this book, because this is a very rare occasion. I have attended so many of these. I mean, we always have a literary festival also, but we've never had a father and son releasing their books together, or writing together also. So that's also a big one, the first off kind of a thing. So congratulations both of you. So I've been asked to speak on this topic on Generation Next and parenting, and yes, as a parent of two grown-ups, I do have some things to say to parents of today. I hope to cover as many aspects as I can on this matter, because parenting in these days has come to encompass so much more than it did earlier. But somewhere along the way, we have forgotten what parenting is all about. Of course, there are so many factors at play when this happens, but I'll try and touch on a few.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I take this privileged pleasure of requesting Sri Narayan Bandekar ji, President of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and Srimati Nandini ji, Director of International Center Goa, to release the book Magical Newspaper and Other Stories by Omkar.
दिनेश उसका पीछे लागे
Commission. May I humbly request the trendsetter President CII Governing Council Goa, Sri Atul Pai Kaneji, to open up the colorful rainbow of evergreen ideas.
Kishore, Omkar, Nandini, Anabab, Aristavat. At the first, let me tell you that I'm no more the chairman of CII. We had a changeover yesterday, so Kirit, with apologies to you. Yeah. The original date was supposed to be 13, so I was supposed to be there till then. But then we decided to do it earlier. Yeah. So, unfortunately, this is not my expertise subject, So I know a little bit about manufacturing and know a little more about marketing and sales. But human resource is not really my subject. However, I'll try to do justice to what Kishore has asked me to do. So it used to be that business transformations and external environments used to be a once in a lifetime event for any corporation in the past. The sort of fundamental reset prompted by a rare, short-lived intervention and which required another intervention. A change of legislation perhaps, or a dramatic shift in costs, or a new technology. This made the transformations necessary.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your ideas. I humbly request Dr. Sunil Rai, Director of Goa Institute of Management, to venture into the tough task of connecting this gathering to the 364 days of transformation with the challenges within the organization during transformation.
I would like to thank GCCI for giving me this opportunity. Nana is here, thank you very much. My apologies for turning up late. These days from Sankli, we are very careful when we are driving.
Thank you, sir, for connecting almost all the friends. May I humbly request our chief guest, President of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Narayan Bandekarji, to release the book, The 364 Days of Transformation by Kishore Shah, Director, Ideas and
It's a real, I'm a little choked up because it's a great thing to see Goa Chamber, backing one of its member to, launch the book. And let me tell you a little more about what came as a thought process in installing this awards. 2006-07, I came up with a novel idea of starting Goa CSR Awards. Because I felt, my 15 years of association as consultant to Tata Motors, I felt CSR is actually a value which we all have to imbibe. It is just not the forte of huge multinationals. Neither it is a way of cleaning your sins by doing a CSR activity, and neither it is philanthropy. Because it was a time that we need to move from needs to felt needs. And I was very fortunate that this idea was again backed up by Goa Chamber and Green Triangle Society. And we said that let's encourage people, because any awareness which comes with encouragement, which comes with little joy and fun, tends to stay for a long time. That idea. No, ideas are like very small babies, The moment they are born, I think they need maximum nurture.
May I request Sri Narayan Bandekarji, Dr. Sunil Rai, to present the award to Venkatesh Prabhudesai.
Thank you, Melanie. May
I
I
request our Honorable President of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Sri Narayan Bandekarji, to share the ideas of success and connect the minds.
Hello. Good evening, everybody. Shri Kishore Shah, Shri Atul Paikane, Shri Sunil Rai, Director of Goa Institute of Management, Mrs. Nandini Sai, Director of International Center Goa, Shri Venkatesh Prabhu Desai, Shri Harshavardhan Barkuli, Shri Edwin Pinto, all very deserving winners of 364 Days of Transformation Awards instituted by India's Ultimate, Unlimited and Broadway Publishing House. Master Omkar Shah, representative of Media and Press, my colleagues from Chamber, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I wish to congratulate Shri Kishore and Omkar, the father-son duo, on the release of their first book. I am sure that this is the beginning of a great literary journey for both of us.
All of us for not only supporting the book launch but blessing it right from the word go. And it doesn't just read and even if you have seen the slideshow,